If you have a garden, you know what this is. It's an endless supply of zucchini. In this video, we are going to help you figure out what to do with a pile of zucchini. This video is a part of an open collaboration, Zucchini for Days, hosted by myself, Rene at Pike Creek Farm, Angela, the Inquisitive Farm Wife, and Michelle at Big Valley Living. In the description box, I'll leave a link to the playlist where you can find a bunch of zucchini recipes from a bunch of channels. And if you have the channel yourself, I welcome you to add your video to the playlist. This fritter is my favorite way to use up zucchini. It uses 4 zucchinis and 6 eggs. It's a great side dish for any summer meal. We're going to need 4 medium-sized zucchinis, 6 eggs, a 1/4 cup of chopped basil, 3 tablespoons of grated Parmesan cheese, a teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, or to taste. 1 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour. 1 to 2 cups of oil for frying. After you've washed your zucchini, you want to prep it for the food processor. And I'm dicing 1 and shredding the other 3. You want to beat your eggs well until they're almost a light color. Then we're going to add our diced and shredded zucchini to the bowl. And season with salt and pepper. Then add your basil and add your Parmesan cheese. We're going to mix well. And when it's all coated with egg, we're going to gradually add the flour. That way you don't create lumps. See how they really stick together? That's what you want. Alright, then we need to heat up our stove into a 375-degree skillet with maybe a 1/2 inch of oil. You want to place maybe a 1/3 cup of the batter into the frying pan, and you don't want to overcrowd your pan, because you don't want the temperature of the oil to drop, and then you'll have uncooked batter. I have the skillet at a 3 on my stove. You just have to pay attention and make sure none of it spatters up. So we're going to time this for about 3 to 4 minutes. When they have cooked for 4 minutes on the second side, you want to get a plate with some paper towels on top to set your fritters on after they're done cooking. And in this house, you know, everything's topped with cheese, so let's put some more Parmesan cheese on top. So this is what the final product looks like, and this is what they look like in the middle. Now,
that's sure good.
Now I like to dip mine in ranch. This will make an easy side for any evening meal.
Okay, hey, these are really good.
You've had them how many years in a row? Well, we have them every year, don't we?
Oh yeah, okay.
Isn't it a great way to use zucchini?
It sure is.
We only use 4 zucchini in this recipe.
You still have a lot more zucchini left.
Sure, we have 2 plants. We have a definite amount.
Yeah, it's a great way to use zucchini.